guys, welcome back to Even Love Kids TV. And in today's video, we're just gonna be doing a little bit of get ready with me to go to church. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be just wearing this cute dress. So cute. So now we're just gonna get into it. Guys, check me out. So cute. And now we're just gonna get straight into skincare. Yeah. So guys, now it's time for skincare. My favorite part. I'm so excited. So guys, as you guys can see, this is my whole skincare box. Oh, it's so big. And yeah, so let me just get started into skincare. So I got some micellar water. I'm just gonna use this to remove everything. And yeah, wait, give me a minute. Let me get the cotton pad. So guys, I'm back with the pad. So I'm just gonna open it up. The lid, and I like to just put it like on top, just like this, and then so I'm gonna let it drop, and then see how much I got. I don't think you guys, yeah, this is like good and gold. So now I'm just gonna rub it on my face. Oh, this feels so clean. But it's so good on my eye. And be careful so you don't get the micellar water in your eyes, because it's a lot of chemicals inside, and I don't think you want it in your eyes. So be careful. So now I'm just gonna put this aside, and then I'm gonna close it up. And now my skin is nice and clean. So now I use a moisturizer because my serum I wear is like gone, because it's like finished, and we're not gonna buy more of it because it's not in stock. So I'm just gonna skip that part and then do bubble. I love this bubble. So cute. Like, this is my favorite skincare product. Like, guys, bubble. If you see me, please give me a PR. I'm gonna be so grateful. Please. Again. So this is Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. Let me read the back. After toner, apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin. Use morning and night for soft hydrated skin. Okay. So I'm gonna skip toner. I'm gonna do toner like after, like when I'm done with the whole thing. So yeah, let me just like I'm a little bit confused because I don't know if you should peel the part and then get all the gunk out, or just leave it like that, because like I'm not seeing the what is it called, the flower thing, because like, you know, drunk elephant and polyreptile, I don't remember what it's called, but it's always like boom, it's like giving the satisfying part. But yeah, let me stop talking and just, oh my god, that's so lovely. They said 2 pumps, so I'm gonna also do 2 pumps. So first one here, and then one here, And then I'm gonna use all of the rest here. And a little more in my chin and nose. And I'm gonna do another hump after, so don't think I'm this done yet. Oh my god, it's so soft. And it's really good to learn skincare at a young age, and yeah. And I'm so excited. In 3 months, it's my birthday. Can you guys guess what day is my birthday? I'm just gonna give you that a hint. It's in January. What date?
Happy birthday to you.
Like, I can give you guys a hint. I think it's like in the 3rd week. I think so. Yeah. And then 4th or 3rd week. Guys can tell. So cute. I'm gonna skip CRV. I'm gonna do bubble. So good and clean. As I said, I'm gonna do another one. Okay. Still one here again. Another one on my forehead. And the last here. Cute. And now I'm just gonna rub. Ooh, it's so satisfying, soft. It's so glowing. Just gonna rub it on my hands. I love my under hair and my eyes. So relaxing. And after my skincare, I'm just gonna fix my hair and put all the serums and rub it in and brush. Yeah. And I'll show you guys the before and the after. Oh, so cute. And now I'm just gonna clean it by rubbing my hands and get all the excess part. Yeah, that was like pretty much that. Cute. So lock it in. Perfect. I really want the mini one also because I love to have big and mini. Big and mini. I love that. I love it. I don't want a CRV mini if they even have. If they don't have, it's fine. I love my big also. And so you guys know, I love this balance. It like keeps it from from your hair. My hair have been really growing. So now I'm just gonna be using my guaca, and I have another. It's like a set. I'm gonna just try and use it. I think it's to remove your pores or something. I don't remember. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. So, I'm done. And then now I'm just gonna use the back side of this. Oh, it matches! Pink and pink! Ooh, so cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up. And then I'm gonna use a small side on the under eye. So cute. And now, I think we've come to almost the end. So we're just gonna be using my, like this thing is almost finished. Almost finished. But I'm gonna be using my Bounce Back Glancing Mist. Spray 3 to 5 inches from face for an instant skin reset. So I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pretty much from here. Oh my god. I love to like let it sit. I don't know why, but I love to like blow. So it like soaks into my skin. Yeah. Blow. Yeah, I think this is good. So now I'm just gonna be using some of my what is it called, my lip gloss. So I'm just give me a second. I'm gonna bring this. So guys, I got my lip gloss. So this is a H&M lip gloss, which is scent strawberry. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my lips. So yeah, let's just open it up. I don't know why, but I like to like hold it like this with the cover on like that. But today I'm gonna put this to the sun. You know, like I wish you guys could smell this. It like smells so good. But like yeah, let me just put it on already. Oh my god. Kind of got a little much because this is wonderful. So pretty. So now just gonna close it up and put it back right here. So for my last final step is perfume, and I'm gonna be using the scent 68 rose. So finished. So I think I'm gonna get the purple one and the pink one. Yeah, and probably that. So I love to do like 1, 2, and then 1 here, only 1 here, and then rub. Yeah, and then put under here and here. Yeah, you guys are gonna see. So in 1, 2, 3, rub, under, rub, here, rub. Yeah, like that. And then just close it up and put it back. And yeah guys, that's the end of my skincare. So now we're just gonna go back to hair. Okay guys, now it's hair. So we're just gonna do this and get started to hair. Yeah, I'm so excited. So basically my hair, I'm just gonna then brush the pony. So yeah, basically yeah. So I'm just gonna use this tape. Oh no, my brush, I'm pony. So I'm just gonna take this and press like 3 or 2. Just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5, 6. So now I'm just gonna brush my hair. Like that. Brush it back. It's like this should be. Brush it back real good. So now I'm just gonna take this and part my hair. Perfect. Part it real good. Like that, and then rub. Yeah, I like this part. And what is that? What is that? Let's just ignore that. This part is real good. Where am I going? I can't see. this and this. Perfect. Yeah, something like this, but I need to make this curve straight. Yeah, that's a little better, I guess. Make it. Oh my god. Alright. Right. It must be. Like that. And then 1 second. Yeah, this is good. It's much better. And then just. So guys, I'm done parting the line to be straight. So now I'm just gonna take some oil and do my scalp. So I'm just gonna put it on the scalp. Nice and straight it wheeled up. So now I'm just gonna pop my hair. Goes with my basically. And then just like that. No shape. Something like this, or I should just like, wait, guys, which do you think it's better? To brush it out like this, or that? But I think brushing it out is a little cuter, I think. Yeah, I think this is the win-win. Oh god, I got hair in my mouth. Or should we get a little piece of hair and then get another piece of hair and then curl it just like what I'm doing now. So cute. Like this. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Looks okay. Like, yeah, I like that. My god, it hurt. Can we like do a little in the front? Yeah. This is cute. Yeah. But yeah guys, now we have come to the end of the video, so we're just gonna do a fit check and yeah. Guys, this is the final outfit. So pretty. My hair, my skincare, my outfit, and my shoes. Bye guys! We'll see you in our next video. Peace!